Every child is unique and has his own level of understanding and learning style. Some learn through visuals, whereas some need teachers' hand-holding, while others may learn through assessments. Preparing for competitive exams is a big question for all types of learners. They face problem in learning difficult and complex concepts. Clearing any doubt needs physical presence of teacher, but teacher cannot be available 24/7. Parents are not regularly updated with progress and punctuality of student. So they need a platform that can extend all these areas. Extra Marks with its inherent holistic approach is the perfect platform to all types of learner. The classrooms of Extra Marks are technology enabled with total learning environment using digital boards and tablets for easy learning and practice.
As a teacher, I truly believe that every student needs personal guidance. With the Extra Mark holistic approach, I have smart learning modules created by the most experienced teachers of my subject. These modules, along with my lectures, are available to the students at home also.
Joining Extra Marks is one of the best decisions for our child. We are highly impressed by the high-tech classes and the progress of our child.
Our content is rich, interactive and engaging that makes difficult concepts easy and effective to learn.
We develop learning modules after extensive research that are taught across all the centers pan-India. We have interactive content so that hard concepts can be learned very easily. The work does not end here. Our work is continuously enhanced by multiple teams of experts to deliver the best.
This rich content can be accessed by the learner and teacher in smart coaching centers through tab or app, which facilitates self-study at home also.
Daily practice paper is very helpful in identifying my weak areas.
In its learning modules, the concepts are so well conceptualized that I can easily grasp the concepts with clear understanding.
Our experienced faculties play a supportive role to guide and orient the students in the right direction who have been in this profession long enough to understand and analyze test patterns and identify the need of the day. Extra Marks provide technology-based assessment systems such as daily practice test tool to the child to make them familiar with the exam pattern. We provide real-time feedback. These tools and assessments are also available at home through app and online tests. Rank prediction tool is entirely based on data analytics, wherein each student's performance is analyzed regularly and compared on all India level. Through Extra Marks One app, parents can check attendance details and performance of their child real time. This enables parents to identify the improvement areas of their child and participate in their exam preparation. Through this ecosystem, parents can connect and collaborate with teachers and students through one app for ensuring exam success of their child. Extra Marks is extending its reach by establishing its new centers across various cities in India, providing competitive exam training even in remote areas through app, tab and its coaching classes. So, connect with Extra Marks for better future.